What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 94 cents, up 0.12 on the day. See a market cap of 8.13 billion. 24-hour volume 464 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $8,000 in deposit bonuses. They recently partnered with Lionel Messi. No VPN required. For my US traders looking for an exchange, email me your sign up email. After you make your first deposit, I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. So a little bit of news here for Matic. Matic up 23% over the past month as addresses spike. Coins leave exchanges in masses. So what does this mean, guys? When coins are leaving exchanges, people are planning to hold for the long term, which of course is bullish for the price of Matic. So if we scroll down here, data analyzed by Crypto Slate showed that Matic has seen the largest exchange outflow since April 2021. Right around the time when Matic experienced a sharp spike that sent its price to the all-time high of $2. So once again, we're seeing massive amounts of Matic token moved off exchanges, moved into cold storage to be held for the long term, which signifies to us that traders are not looking to sell their Matic token but hold it for the long haul, which of course is a bullish signal. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the daily time frame. So we talked about the bullish cross. We retested as support, and currently we are seeing a bounce back to the upside. We came up and saw a little rejection off 97 cents that we covered in our previous video. So our next target is $1.08, and then your next major level of resistance in between $1.30 and $1.41. Now if we jump into our Elliott wave count, we talked about a 5-wave move into a 1 coming down into a wave 2. We did pull back and meet the minimum target, which is the 0.382 at 89 cents, and that's currently where we're seeing a bounce. Just be cautious because you can still go through an A, B, C correction. Today is Friday, so if we fail to break this high here at about 96 cents and we go into the weekend, do expect low trading volume, and potentially then we could put in that A, B, C correction. However, we may just consolidate. Over the weekend, we may just consolidate and then come up and break this high. But if we do come up and break this high today on Friday here, then I would expect that nice push into a wave 3, which will take you all the way up to $1.24. So the really bullish wave count here for Matic, in my opinion, is that we've come up in a wave 1. This was an ABC into a very shallow wave 2, which I wasn't expecting here. And now we're going to push up in a wave 3. And the smaller wave count is a wave 1 into a wave 2, looking to push up in a wave 3. And if we drop down into the subwaves, then as you can see here, 1, 2, looking to push up into 3. And then we have our wave 1 in yellow. Wave 2 pullback, looking to push up in the wave 3 of the wave 3 of the wave 3. Doesn't that sound like fun? If you're new to Elliott Wave, I know it can sound like an alien language. So please, there are incredible videos. Everything I know about technical analysis and trading, I learned for free off of YouTube. I have taken a few small courses here and there, but honestly, I could have learned it for free off YouTube and paid $0, but that's a-okay, all a part of the learning process. So that's basically it for our update for Matic. As I mentioned, if we do start to retrace here, just look for a potential A, pushing up in a wave B, and then seeing a wave C down to the yellow box, which is a more common wave 2 retracement zone in between 0.81 and 0.86, but usually you're going to bounce off the 0.5 at 0.86 or the golden ratio at 0.84. But as of right now, we are seeing a bounce off the minimum target. So if this high is broken, then we can push all the way up to $1.24, and your next major level of resistance to watch is right here at $1.08, and then all the way up here at about $1.30. So make sure to sign up to BitGet, make that first deposit, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses, and then email me your sign up email to get free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Currently, I believe I have 4 trades open. We recently locked in some juicy gains on a Sol trade, and I do all my trading on BitGet, so make sure to sign up. And if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as early access to my analysis, I also post news in here. It's only $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, top of the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.